Empowering the future, Greno Industries and the rise of young machinists. In the heart of upstate New York's industrial landscape lies a powerhouse of innovation and mentorship, Greno Industries. Precision and progress converge at Greno Industries, where state-of-the-art CNC machines form intricate components with precision and craftsmanship. Meet the next generation of this machine shop's success, the young machinists who are redefining the future of Greno Industries' precision machining.
I think kids today need mentoring. They need direction, they need mentoring. That's what we try to do here. And I think from just listening to some of the newer, younger generation that is working here, they're receiving that from their fellow colleagues.
Greno Industries is a hub of opportunity for young talent. These individuals are not just employees, they're the seeds of progress, cultivated to grow into skilled professionals.
Just being around machines, that's what I like. Everything about it, even like the noises that it makes, industrial noises, I love it. Makes me feel proud.
I've always been a pretty smart kid. I graduated with an advanced diploma. I don't know how I did that, but I did. And working warehouse jobs, mechanics, all that, it's physically demanding. Mechanics, you kind of have to be smart, but here, I'm using my brain 24/7, and it's a really good feeling.
Greno Industries values young machinists like Allison and Ty, providing a platform for growth, mentorship, and hands-on experience. The seasoned machinists at Greno Industries play a vital role, passing on their wisdom and techniques to the next generation. Greno Industries isn't just a machine shop, it's a training ground for innovation. From complex components to cutting-edge solutions, the young machinists are trained at each stage of the process.
So I just had a lot of good mentors along the way. I had the initial interest, like I said, from my family, and then I had great mentors in high school who pointed me towards machining and all that sort of stuff, and really helped develop my skills. And to take it to the next level, from high school they were kind of pointing me at, there's this 2-year program at Hudson Valley, so you should go take that. So I did, absolutely loved it. The teachers there were fantastic.
Greno believes in providing opportunities that shape careers and forge connections in the industry.
Got me an internship here while I was doing school. Eventually they offered me full-time, so I've been here for a little bit since. Greno as a company, they offered to pay for me to go through Hudson Valley, which is really cool. So I'm doing the Hudson Valley thing with them. They're gonna send me through the 2-year course.
Greno Industries, where the synergy between experienced wisdom and youthful energy propels the world of precision machining forward. Greno Industries has a deep interest in getting young individuals into a career in manufacturing. CNC machining is the ultimate convergence of all STEM fields. As a machinist, you'll collaborate with engineers, designers, programmers, and scientists to bring concepts to fruition. Students will learn an interdisciplinary approach that ensures you will always be part of a team working towards a common goal. Contact Greno Industries for more information on how to kickstart a career in a precision machine shop.